Tell you, we're getting some great cars through here, and this one is one of them. It's a 1966 Chevelle convertible, complete Pro Touring, body off frame, rotisserie restoration, meticulously done. All the upgrades underneath, which we'll talk about. Has a 5-speed manual trans sitting inside this all leather interior, custom everything. We've got a 502 crate motor under the hood with 502 horsepower, all decked out with the goodies. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one has a price tag and a monthly payment. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. You will find this one on our website as well with the payment. So it has the bulged SS hood, and this is looking really sharp. This is a silver pearl paint, beautiful. I think it's a Corvette color, straight, shiny, glossy. The metal flake laid out beautifully. Chrome grills look like new. Looking down the side of the car, laser straight all the way to the bottom, all real nice and smooth, square, flush. Opens nice, shuts real nice, no rattles, nice thunk. All beautiful, clean metal. Yeah, it's got a really nice little bit of a hint of pearl in it when you see it going around on the turntable here. But all the metal flake is laid out evenly. It's not cloudy or blotchy, and it's polished smooth like glass. The body is straight. No issues with that. All the way down, really nice, smooth, straight, clean, square. Shuts real nicely. Beautiful, clean, straight body. Body and paint's amazing. I'm very happy with that. New windshield and all new glass. All the side glass is smoked, not tinted, but smoked. All the chrome, like the vent window frame, the mirrors, the stainless moldings, wiper arms, cross flag emblem, even says 502. That was all replaced when they restored the car about 3,000 miles ago, including everything up front, the bumper, the lights, the grille, the trim, all that's been replaced. There's a mirror on this side. All the rubber seals, window fuzzies, weather strips were completely replaced. Has a great lowered stance. I love the wheels. They're Schott wheels, they're called, 18-inch, extra wide in back. They're all wearing Nitto performance sneakers. Has the rear mounted antenna. The convertible top is a black cloth, the German cloth top, very rich looking. That whole top, the frame, that's all been restored, weather strips replaced. And back here, the emblems, the trim, the moldings, all beautiful, all sparkling. The car fits right. It's not just new parts thrown on here. This one here was a professional job, that's obvious. Looks really good. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. I'm about to blow your mind. Wait till you see this trunk compartment. I like it. So the underside, painted beautifully, even feels slick. Look at the billet hinges. I love those. What a nice touch. The jambs are painted nice. Weather strip is replaced. But look how nicely this is all boxed. It's all done in leather. It matches the interior with the white stitching. Obviously, we got a system going on here. Alpine R subwoofer enclosure. I would bet there's some amps back there, some other equipment. Oh, here's a big old amplifier right there on the side. Then you got the gray carpet down on the floor. But yeah, this is done really nicely. A lot of times you find these and they don't fit right and they're falling apart and broken, but that looks really nice. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You will be notified as the new videos are posted. So the jambs are painted up real slick. It looks like new latches, new weather strips, new sill plates. And when I say new, I mean at the time of restoration. All custom leather interior, custom door panels with the white stitching, billet handles, more speakers in the door. Same leather wrapped dash pad with the stitching, complete custom instrument panel wrapped in leather, really nice set of matching silver face gauges, LED indicators. This is a backup camera. That's your stereo system that is working, even the backup camera. Look, it has SS, I guess you would say, embossed into the dash there. It's a nice gray carpet underneath the mats. Nice custom console with a receptacle to charge your stuff. 5-speed Hurst shifter handle, cup holders, leather armrest. Both seats are completely power. Leather, comfortable, nice, firm. Both are power. Is built-in retractable shoulder belts. Everything back here upholstered the same, wall-to-wall leather, matches the front. We got more speakers, and we also have a shoulder belt. This plugs into the lap belts there, so I don't know if there's one on each side or just the one side, but we have at least one. Same billet handles. So the whole car has been rewired. Visors are redone, mirrors new, and then we have a reproduction steering wheel on a chrome tilt column. Yeah, this is a really nice interior. Forgot to talk about the vintage air controls, just clean and simple, electric. The vents are neatly installed. So yeah, very cool interior. Boy, I've been picking some nice cars. Actually, my daughter Shelby's been picking a lot of the cars lately. I think this one was mine. That is a GM Performance crate engine. You buy it from General Motors. It comes with oil in it. It's probably the most reliable way of putting a powerful engine in your car, all assembled. It still has the tag done on the side of it with the part number, but it's a 502 with 502 horsepower. GM aluminum heads, GM aluminum intake. It has a dual feed Holley carb under there with electric choke. An HEI ignition system back there. Those are the 502 valve covers that come with the crate motor. It has some nice coated headers. Custom one-piece firewall, cleaned up real nicely. Gotta love these billet hinges. Not only do they look cool, but they just operate so smooth. And look how clean everything is. All the hoses, stainless braided hoses with stainless or billet clamps, all run behind the fenders. You have some polished AC parts, overflow bottle, big polished aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. The whole front of the motor has a billet runner system with all the brackets and components, serpentine belt with the nice pulleys. Looks like a one-wire alternator, modern power steering with braided hoses. And we have an all chrome power brake system, a reservoir for the hydraulic clutch. Yeah, I can see where it plugs into the fuse block, all new wiring. Where is all the wiring? It's all hidden behind everywhere. It's a clean motor compartment. Up front here, 1967 Chevelle filler panel. Beautiful, nice stuff. Go to, or no, Michael's going to show you how it runs, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
This is a really cool cruiser. It's got a crate 502 in it and get you around right nice to your next car show. Also the 5-speed manual here. Those are both fantastic upgrades, but this interior, I tell you, is really over the top. Oh, and the undercarriage on this one. Definitely get on our website and check out the pictures of that, because this thing is just done up on a rotisserie, and the bottom side is literally looking as good as the top there. So, you know, it has the performance and then it has the comfort. This leather interior is so nice and comfortable. I'm absolutely loving it. Easy power steering there. Oh, the radio. That does have Apple CarPlay in it, and it does have Android Audio as well, so you can sync your device up to it with no problem. Nice little armrest on the center console there, and the cup holders. You know, the little things sometimes give you a punch. Just a little taste, guys. We're on the private test track because all the roads are heavily salted around here, and we don't salt this one. So, but yeah, just a great quality build here. Contact our sales department and check out all the details on volocars.com.
So again, body off the frame, rotisserie restored. That means the underbody was flipped on its side. They restored underneath. The floors are all beautiful, clean metal, painted silver. The entire frame and all the chassis components were stripped and then powder coated black, so nice and durable. It has an upgraded CPP suspension. Pretty much front and back has tubular control arms. It's a 4-link system. They both have coil-over adjustable shocks. They both have sway bars. Custom dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers, kind of dumps down right by the rear end. Wheelwood brake system. It has drilled and slotted disc at all 4 wheels, along with polished calipers that say Wheelwood on them, and it has a custom e-brake system. Boy, those are some fat tires under the back there. Custom fuel system, all stainless steel fuel lines, brake lines. You look up at the motor, it's clean. Again, you can see, we'll even put a picture on the website of the GM crate motor part number tag. High torque starter, chrome fuel pump. It has a Tremec 5-speed transmission, hydraulic clutch, polished aluminum drive shaft. Goes back to a heavy-duty 9-inch rear end with 355 posi gears. This car's amazing, front to back, top to bottom. I love it, so I think you'll love it too. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman about whatever questions you have, including how you're going to get your Chevelle delivered home and how to get it financed if you need that. Thanks for watching.